Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with OpenAI API keys and environment setup, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by obtaining your OpenAI API key from the OpenAI website. Log into your OpenAI account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, navigate to the API section of your account dashboard. Locate the option to generate a new API key. Click on the button to create the API key and copy it to your clipboard. Next, set up your development environment if it's not already configured. If you're using Python, ensure you have Python installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Install the OpenAI Python client library by typing pip install OpenAI. After installation, create a new Python file in your preferred code editor. In your Python file, import the OpenAI library by adding the line import OpenAI. Now, we'll set your API key securely. You can set the API key directly in your code for testing using OpenAI.API_key equals your_API_key. However, for security best practices, create a .env file in your project directory. In the .env file, add a line that says OpenAI_API_key equals your_API_key. Save the .env file and ensure it's not tracked by version control by adding it to your .gitignore file. Next, install the Python.env package to load environment variables. You can do this by running pip install Python.env in your terminal. Back in your Python file, import the load_.env function with from .env import load_.env. Call load_.env at the beginning of your script to load your environment variables. Next, set the OpenAI API key with OpenAI.API_key equals os.getenv, OpenAI_API_key. Make sure to import the OS module at the top of your file. Now, your environment is set up securely for authenticating with OpenAI. You can test the setup by making a simple API call. Try creating a completion by using response equals OpenAI completion.create. To see if it works, print out the response using print response. This completes the authentication and environment setup process for the OpenAI API. You are now ready to start making requests to the OpenAI API and integrating it into your applications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.